Hi guys, so I'm going to take my Mustang Ecoboost today out for a spin and see how the new system sounds. Like I said, it took me about 1 hour and 30 minutes to swap the old system with the new system, and it was very satisfying, very clean and very easy thing to do, or DIY. Highly recommend. I think you will enjoy it, so please give it a shot. We will place the mic on the outside of the car and on the inside of the car. We will rev it up and cruise at some comfortable speeds and see how the lower sound gets into the car. Because my problem with this particular EcoBoost before was that the revs of the engine on the inside of the car sounded really good, but the exhaust was shut down so much that when you drive, it's just, there was barely noise coming out of the exhaust pipe except for the whistle of the turbo. Now it definitely opened up, and I think the car is breathing better, the engine is breathing better and producing more power. And then also later, my next step is going to be to replace the regular air filter with a cold intake that I also purchased from the same company. And overall, I think the performance of the car should definitely went up, and it's something fun to do. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I will shoot more videos about this car. Here's my Tundra. We travel a lot. I love the cars, and if you like such content, definitely will be entertaining and hopefully helpful to you and useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.